YouTube, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Tundra. So you remember I got this truck and I was telling you guys like I'm going to be using this for a reason, and the reason I'm going to be using it is as a toy hauler. We're going to get a toy today. So we're getting a Toyota Celica. It's a 2002 GTS automatic, boo, with 250,000 miles. Thing's been to the moon, but it has an authentic TRD action package with a high style spoiler, the good one everyone wants. Reason for this goal to get this car is she said that it doesn't run, doesn't start, has a dent on the passenger side, and then has a salvage title. But we're gonna pick it up today. We're gonna get a trailer. We're gonna do a whole vlog of it. And reason why is we're gonna use it as a parts car. We're gonna take the seats out of it. I'm gonna sell it to you guys. We're gonna take the side skirts, the front bumper, the rear bumper, and then the wing, and I'm gonna sell it to you guys. I'll probably end up selling the whole thing as one kit. So if one of you guys want to buy the whole kit, and then I might end up breaking it into little pieces. Usually when I do this whole kit, it sells really quick. If I do it as pieces and people kind of pick it as they need it, which you guys seem to like that, where you're like, I want the front bumper, I want the skirts, I want the rear bumper, I want the wing, and then 4 different people, but we'll see. So point being, we're gonna get the car. I actually would rather just get the kit off the car, but unfortunately, I got something in my eye. I can't because the individual doesn't want the car there anymore. So it has some cool black wheels too, so those will be for sale. So we'll end up getting it. We're gonna go use the Tundra, the V8 Tundra. We're gonna get we're gonna rent a trailer. I don't have a trailer. I don't really want to own a trailer. It's nice to rent one. We're gonna use the V8 Tundra. The thing's a beast. And then the main goal, look at that thing. The main goal is to get the Toyota Celica and have it right here, and then roll it and put it into the YouTube garage, take it all apart in here, and then I'll probably end up donating the actual car, the GTS car. It's a 2ZZ with a 250,000 miles on it, 250,000 miles on it, which, I mean, you can probably get 300,000 miles out of a 2ZZ or 350, but I don't know how well that was, and it's an automatic. So someone maybe wants a 2ZZ, but I don't know if I want to pull an engine. So probably what's going to happen is I'll take all the parts off of it and then have a company come and collect the actual Celica. But we'll see what I do. But being said, let's go ahead, let's jump, let's do this. I'm getting another Celica. This is crazy. I'm supposed to be turboing a car, but I found an authentic TRD one, 2002. Let's go check it out. Let's get in the car. Let's go for the road trip.
It's already filming.
Yeah. All right, guys. So, got the Tundra, and then we already got the U-Haul. Pretty good deal. I don't have a trailer. I don't really want a trailer. I was saying that earlier. Come closer. The reason why is because we got this trailer that with a tow hitch all hooked up. It was, I think, $60 or $54, rounded up to $60 for a trailer, which is pretty good. So we'll end up getting the Toyota Celica. We're on our way. We got about another 2 hours to drive. We're about an hour in, it's an automatic, and it does have wheels on it, and the wheels look pretty nice in the pictures. You guys will see from the thumbnail, but yeah, the wheels did look pretty nice on it, so we should be able to roll it up on here, and hopefully it all rolls up on here. But yeah, we'll figure it out when we get it. So let's go head out now. Got the Tundra, getting pretty good gas mileage, but let's head out to next stop. We should just be at the Celica, getting the Celica. Again, 2002 authentic GTS automatic TRD. So let's go ahead, let's hit it. Alright guys, look at Washington. It's so beautiful. I remember one time I was filming, and I think I was like in a parking garage or something like that, and someone wrote on my comment, they're like, why don't you film? You live in Washington, why don't you film? It's beautiful. I was like, yeah, alright, here you go. This is for that one subscriber. There you go, my man. Look at that. So we got about 45 minutes more and we'll have the Toyota Celica. Let's get it. Alright, let's push it forward a little bit. There you go. Okay. And then Gabriella, well, we'll just guide it on.
What you want?
We're gonna just guide it on. Let me wrap this back up real quick.
I don't know if you can hear it, but the ocean's right over there.
Okay. So it's easier to push.
I missed the last screw. That was some work.
All right, guys. So we're in the tundra. Believe it or not, my wonderful fiance, who's filming right now, actually did all the back and jacking. She's really good at driving a truck with a trailer. Why are you good at driving a truck with a trailer?
Because I drove across the country with a pop-up camper.
Had a pop-up camper, a camper that she drove across the country. I guess drove across.
Yeah, drove.
So we in the back, look out the back window. We have the Toyota Celica. It's an 02 with a full action package TRD kit. They just let it sit there.
But you gotta say where we're at. We're at the ocean right now.
Yeah, we are at the middle of nowhere. We're by Canada. We're right by Canada. So hello Canadians, like right across there, I don't know if you guys can see out there, that's the ocean.
Victoria, Canada.
Yeah. Oh, we're gonna have to wait for this car to go by. That being said, so we got what we wanted, which was the whole car. I actually didn't want the whole car. I really wanted the action package off the car, and they definitely wanted to get rid of it. So what we're gonna do, like I said, there's a big dent on the door, but fortunately the whole kit is in pretty good condition. Especially if you just get the whole thing repainted to whatever color you want. It's in, I think it's called liquid silver is the OEM color.
Much better.
Okay, so yeah, we have the whole car. It's back. We're in by the ocean, middle of nowhere. Liquid silver, 2002 automatic GTS. It's a rust bucket. So for me, I don't really. I mean, you guys, if you want some of the mechanical stuff, you can. I can clean it up, but the majority of the car is just. It just needs to be. It's just going to be crushed. The good parts on it is it does have a TRD kit. So this is hilarious. We drove 3 hours to get this car with the U-Haul trailer, and we came here. Check this out. She's going to pan the camera around. I swore it was this car right here. It wasn't. It's another one. That's a GT.
On the same.
So funny with a TRD kit on it.
With the same dead end road.
With this on the same. That is insanely just crazy that happened. So I think I'm gonna go knock on their door and see if they want to sell me the wing off that thing. I won't.
Are you sure? You don't want to? Do it.
Nah, I won't do it. I won't.
Comment down below if you want him to do it.
Yeah, maybe we'll make another road trip up here. But that would be cool if I could pull that all off and throw that in the truck bed. We have 2 TRD kits. You guys would love that. But yeah, this car doesn't run. She thinks it was a starter, and they tried to change the battery and did a bunch of stuff on it. I mean, it has 250,000 miles on it. So yeah. Anyways, we got it ratchet strapped down. We're gonna head back out. We'll next stop will be at a gas station. Maybe. Or no, we'll do the thumbnail at the gas station. But take some photos. Hey, brother, you don't need that in the video.
It's going down, baby. Where are we? Car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. Picking up some thumbnails. Picking up some photos. Ooh, smashed it. Look at that thing, though.
She goes and says, it's like what you said with the other car, don't let that catfish you.
Yeah, definitely.
Hey, GTS. This is totally the thumbnail. How about another GTS?
Yes. Look at that wang, everybody.
Unfortunately, it doesn't unlock.
Oh my gosh, the door almost snapped my arm off.
But,
the keys are in there. Yeah. I have smaller arms than you. Are you sure you want to get down on it? Yeah. Almost only counts in hand grenades and horseshoes. Alright, what are you about to do?
We're going to wash down this kit, the TRD kit, see if it looks good, everything looks good. What do you guys think of these wheels? They're pretty cool. I like them a lot, actually. I think I'm going to clean them up and sell them. It is, you know, a real GTS. It does have a 2ZZ. I already looked. I don't know. This is actually, yeah, I know what this is. This is the gas cap. But yeah, something like the Sounder soccer team. Wheel caps. I like the wheels a lot, I'm not going to lie. These are the Dash Z tail lights with, which I might sell these, which are smoked. They look pretty cool, actually. They just need polish.
The brake plates are smoked
bumper,
too.
worth a fortune. Wheels. Right here, this is the TRD lip. It popped out because when they got in the car accident here, it touched this, so it popped it out a little bit. But the actual skirt is in perfect condition. The rear lip looks like it's on stock ride height. Yeah, we took out the license plate. It has the GTS badge, Dash Z's. I don't know what they're used to be called Dash Z, but some other brand maybe. Anyways, guess what, guys? I'm gonna use a brush, and I don't even care.
Is that go time?
3 minutes.
Woo! It's a race.
Come on. I should have done the water. No.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, baby. I need some more soap. This ain't gonna work, guys. All right, we'll go back over to the. We're gonna go to the water. This ain't doing nothing. Don't shoot me.
Chad, babe. Pull a Chad, babe. No Chad.
Number 3 for the day. I love that one. Okay, so first gas stop. We're on our way back. How much was it? It was $100. More than the trailer rental. Oh my gosh. 110, 21 gallons. Yowza. But hey, look. There's a Toyota Celica GTS. Look at that. So when we were rolling it up onto the trailer, Gabriella had the door open. I was like, watch your hand. And she almost had her hand in here, almost got her hand chopped. But we did this dent here. It hit on this part right here. Whoopsies. That's what it hit on there. Overall, the car is actually in really decent shape. We did take it to the car wash. Definitely needs hand washed. Overall though, I mean, it's in pretty good, decent. If it wasn't an automatic, I probably would fix it up and then sell it as a whole. But this is insane. This is what gave it a salvage title. This is mainly because of the quarter panel here. But I really do like the wheels a lot. I'm gonna clean them up and I think I'm gonna sell them. And then I'm gonna take the bumper off. I'll probably sell the headlights. It has leather seats that are in pretty decent condition. I'll sell those. And the steering wheel and stuff, it has the original radio. All that stuff has the up and down for the paddle. Has the original exhaust. I'll sell the whole body kit. I'll probably sell these tail lights. I'll sell this, maybe that. But I don't know. Name what you guys want and you guys can pick it off the car. You guys need glass or anything. All the glass is in good condition. But yeah, so let's go ahead. Pretty cool. I mean, it's fun. This has been fun day. Let's go ahead, we're gonna hit it. Next clip we'll be dropping the car off and probably wrapping up the video. And then I need to take the trailer, return the trailer. All right, look where we are. Back to the headquarters, the YouTube headquarters with the non-painted house yet. But bam, there it is. Toyota Celica GTS. It's a GTS TRD with a wha-bam. You guys, have you ever guys seen those from Step Brother, the Hulk hands right there? You know, Hulk. He got mad, hit the Celica. Hulk hand. But yeah, so Toyota Celica GTS. Lots of ways you can tell it's a GTS. One, of course, there's a 2ZZ. GTSs came with the disc brakes in the back and in the front. It also came with a badge. Has the authentic full kit on here. The TRD has no battery in it. Actually has really good seats too. Look at these seats. These are the seats that I love. These will be for sale. Definitely need to air everything out in here. And then there's no electrical, so let's see if I was trying to get the key out. And then this is actually down the paddle shifting. Forget on that. This has like little shifting on the steering wheel. I wonder if anyone will want the steering wheel. We'll see. Sunroof is from a 2002, so it's a crap one. It's already crap. It's garbage. Mirrors, if anyone wants mirrors. Wheels are awesome. I love the fitment of these wheels. I love them a lot. Do a little bit of a spacer, but those are really, really nice. Headlights look really good too. Those just need a polish. They said it ran. And then when we opened up the hood, I forgot to tell you guys, when I opened up the hood, believe it or not, there was literally a mouse inside of here. I'm not kidding you, there was a mouse that came out. It was hilarious. So, yeah, I think he was living in there in the intake. I mean, we could try to start it. I don't know, what do you guys think? That 2ZZ's got some freaking love on there. So rust bucket. But you know, the TRD kit, this is the authentic TRD kit. The nose, I mean, you guys are gonna see from the thumbnail, the front bumper is the absolute best front bumper. It's so good. Side skirts are really good too. Front bumper is the best part of the TRD kit. I love it. I don't know, I actually like the rear of the wing too, the rear wing. But what I'll end up doing is probably next video, like a couple days from me, I'm gonna end up ripping up all the parts. That'll be a video like tearing it all, and then maybe trying to get it to start. That'd be kind of cool. It is an automatic, as you guys say, liquid silver. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I got another one. 8 Celicas, 9 Celicas. This might be my 10th Celica. I don't know how many I've had. This might be the 10th one. 9th or 10th or 8th, I can't remember. Had a lot. The wheels are great. I don't even know what brand they are, but they're really good. Let's see what the brand these are. They are Focal. I like them a lot, no joke. I really like these wheels a lot. I think they're really aesthetic. They're a really good choice. Yeah, that's it. Will this be on MITSUBISHI.com? Absolutely win, not for a little bit. I like the liquid silver. It doesn't need painted, so usually I get them not powder coated. I usually get them primered for you guys when you guys want to install them on your own car. This one's in liquid silver, so it's gonna be as is. I'm not gonna get it primered, but it looks so good, not only on camera but in person. That is an amazing body kit. I love that. And the guy did good too. He did the 5% tint. It was a cool car before it got T-boned. And then the girl that sold it to us, she T-boned it. It was pretty funny. You should have heard the story. Anyways, like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. Hope you guys enjoy this content. See you on the next video.